Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to create a website with Hostinger. Firstly, visit hostinger.com and log in. Go to Websites section and select Create or Add Website. Scroll until you see the purple Try AI Website Builder button, then click it to begin. Fill in basic info like brand name, website type, and business description. Hostinger AI will generate 3 design variations. Use the number tabs at the bottom to preview them, then click Continue to Editor if you like one. Then if not, hit Try Again to regenerate. Also, you can choose a pre-made template manually provided by Hostinger. Just when you want to design your homepage and edit the site, click the header, then Settings gear. You can toggle sticky header, choose logo alignment like left, center, or right, and upload your logo and enable a shopping bag for online stores. Click Edit Navigation to rearrange or hide menu items and add the drop-down menus for categories or sub-pages. To add pages, just click Pages tab, plus sign to create a new page like About, Contact, or Services. And finally, change fonts, colors, backgrounds, and sections layouts from the Style tab. Drag and drop elements like text, images, buttons, etc. to redesign your layout. And when you're ready, click Publish in the top right. Choose your domain or use a free Hostinger subdomain. Click Confirm and your website is live. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.